Look at that.
Yeah, bro.
How did he get it up there?
A crane?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get a picture now.
Yeah.
One world, one ride.
Wow, look at him. Look at him. That's a 5-year-old kid, right?
Yep.
All right.
Hey.
See you, man.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Have a good one.
And beautiful. This kid is a rock star, dude.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah,
very
thank
much.
you.
Thank
Take
you.
care, take
Thank
care.
you.
God bless. Bye. If I have a kid, whether it's a girl or a boy, I'm gonna make her, him. Yeah. Man, क्या है यार, superb. And that's a nuclear plant you see here. Man, how beautiful is this? Wow, look at that. So good. Great roads, great countryside, lovely ride. Lovely, just like when you meet lovely people, seriously lovely people. Check that out, Optimus Prime, yeah, love the truck, man. Love the truck. Okay, another iron bridge, yay! Iron bridge, iron bridge. I love the iron bridge. DJ? Hey! DJ? Hey DJ? खड़ा रहना.
Debbie, come on down, get your grub, Debbie.
Luis! Look at that.
Yeah, bro.
How did he get it up there?
A crane?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get a picture now.
Yeah.
1648.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Nice place. Fantastic. Whoa.
Bro,
Nice. Seriously nice. Watch your head.
You're all set. You can head on up, we'll holler at you, okay? Thank you.
You got a damn radio over here.
We do.
So as you can see, this is a really, really lovely place to hang out. Very, very unique. Enjoy. And I'm enjoying Coke Cherry. Wow. Nice.
With the list of flat roast drugs, Chubby Wise, and Howard Watson, there they were. 1946 in the lanes of WBM Studios in Chicago, recorded that for Columbia. It's in the Wrigley Building. Action this week. Chris Jones, the Flickgrass Junction from Sirius XM, and that's my cue to say so long. And stay tuned for Handpicked with.
Hey,
He was telling us about your Facebook
right.
page there.
Okay, yeah.
That's
Hey, man.
awesome, man. That's fantastic.
Hey.
We knew you guys were serious riders. Like, so we saw the stickers and the gear. I said, okay, I said, I don't even think that's an American license plate. Yeah.
How many miles you got already, did we?
I think 35,000 kilometers now. You can convert
35,000 kilometers?
Yeah.
How many kilometers in there?
A lot.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the kilometers.
35,000 kilometers, so 10,000 miles is 16,000 kilometers. About
20,000
a
miles.
little bit over 20,000 miles. And then from here they're going to West Coast and then Argentina.
Really? That is awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome. That's fantastic. Not every day you meet someone like that, or meet someone that's doing something like that. He told us about your social media. I'll have to. keep
all
up
right,
with it.
okay.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. I hope you guys enjoy your time here in West Virginia.
Yeah,
Probably just passing through, right?
yeah. Thank you guys.
All right, man.
Yeah. This is so unique, man.
Exactly. That's what I like. I don't like oh, okay.
Yeah, in fact,
This is me. All this type of shit.
yeah, this is fantastic. Kya jagah hai na re?
What do you think, DJ?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's eat something.
Let's eat something.
Let me take a.
Yeah, this is nice. This is unique, huh?
Are you eating this?
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
What's your birthday? Yeah. Bud Light.
Well, cookie. I want to have a French fry.
And they have beer.
Hey, you're gonna, I don't want to have it.
Oh, okay.
Give me just
told
a
you.
You're
second.
riding. You don't drink.
One Coors Light. One.
Huh?
One Coors Light.
Okay, so this was the beautiful place. Anybody in West Virginia, check out for Hillbilly hot dogs. They do give fries, chicken. Nice. I had fries, but yeah. Now we're gonna stay back again at Red Inn. Red Inn is a chain of hotels where you can stay overnight, and it's 13 minutes from here. Why don't I see DJ? What the hell? Why is his yellow lights now down? Okay, fantastic. He's on. Good. Lovely place. Seriously, this is a beautiful. How beautifully they have made it. They have collected junk and arranged it. You know, when you are in a motorcycle, I'm sure no one would be, unless you are a biker, you will figure this place out. I've seen so many Harley riders there, but it was good. So all the people in US riding around here, please do visit. They have not paid me to advertise, but then, yeah. Louis was saying that his hot dog was really, really tasty. But yeah, the potato chips were really tasty, crisp, and that's how I like it. पीला लगा पीला तेरा पीला लगा पीला हाँ Look, you see the lights? Bam! Okay, so the left one is a bit off. The right one is doing good. The left one, I have a problem with the left one. That we need to figure it out. Well, let's shut it off because we don't want anybody to have any problems because of us. So riding in the US is so much easier. Everything is so simple. Lewis is one hell of a rider. Let me give you his background. He has ridden more than 100,000 miles. 100,000 miles on this motorcycle. Earlier he had a Harley. He must have clocked a lot. But he is a very, very seasoned rider. In fact, he was the one who helped me customize my Harley. Then he went and bought a gold wing. Yeah, he is one hell of a great rider. Oh, what's this? Man, everything looks so pretty here. So we didn't get a room here in Red Roof, but we're gonna get a room somewhere else. So that will be nice. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna bunk tonight in Motel 6. Welcome to Motel 6. Yeah?
So that back there looks perfect for our lights.
Yeah.
Very dark back there.
Let's do it. हाँ? क्या हुआ? क्या? अरे ऐसा कैसा ऑन नहीं हुआ? नजीक का? Wait a minute. बाजू हट जा वो रहने ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा. Okay, so we are back in our hotel. Louis, this
Motel
is the
6.
last day, Motel 6, and this is our last day with you, man.
Yeah, man. No,
Not
yeah,
for
tomorrow.
long.
Tomorrow is the last day.
Yeah, tomorrow. Today is the last night.
Last night, yeah.
Last night, yeah. Last night, and we had a lovely time. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very, very much.
Beautiful
Louis.
riding with you guys today.
Yeah, and you better come to India.
2019.
19, yeah. And we ride. So all my lovely people who are watching, he's a fantastic rider. He's ridden more than me, I would say.
Yeah.
1 lakh 11,000
No, man.
miles.
Who?
You?
Me?
1 lakh 11,000 miles.
100,000?
The
No,
1,000
more.
yeah.
140,000 miles on a
Oh,
motorcycle, man.
Okay, 140,000 miles in miles in a
Miles on a motorcycle, not kilometers.
Not kilometers. So
Yeah.
he is a much more experienced, and we can see that. And we learned a lot from you. Killer Totas and Louis, my man.
Yeah.
And we've been friends for quite a long time.
7 years.
7 years.
7
7
years.
years and meet him here for the first time.
Yeah.
Not there, this.
After 7 years.
After 7 years.
Yeah.
But we were just talking on the phone. But it was great.
And let's hope that is not the last time for you coming to the US.
No. So, to all my lovely people, stay blessed and enjoy the video.
There you go. Coming soon.
Coming soon. Coming soon.
One world, one ride.
This is just gorgeous.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
It's a road machine. I got to set up to go down the highway.
Oh, yeah?